Hello viewers, welcome to my channel CS Learning. Today we are going to see that how you can download Python with Anaconda distribution and after downloading how to use it. So first we will going to see how to download it from web browser. So today I will use Google Chrome for downloading Python, the latest version of Python and Anaconda distribution. So what is Anaconda distribution? Actually, Anaconda distribution is nothing but an environment that will provide you for to program in Python. Okay, the different kind of launchers are there, like environment are there, which will provide you to download and install it in your machine. You can download and install those in your machine and use it for Python programming. So I will write download Python for Windows. So let's see, this is Python's official website, python.org. So I will click on this website. You can see this kind of website will be open. Okay, now the latest version of Python is available, Python 0.11. So if you want to download previous versions of Python, here it is. You can see Python 3.10, Python 3.9, 3.8, 3.7. These all versions are available. So if you want to download any of this version, so you can click on these links. You can see released version, date is given, and download option is given over here. So if I want to download Python 3.10, okay, so just clicking over here, you can see a new window will open. Okay, and some links are provided over here. See, this is for Windows installer 64-bit and for 32-bit. Most of us are having 64-bit. If you are having 32-bit of Windows, then you can download this 32-bit. Okay. Or otherwise, if you are having any Mac OS or any other kind of Windows package, then you can download from this available link. So see this Mac OS 64-bit, this one Universal 2, this one is for Mac OS, other are for Windows, all others are for Windows. Okay, I am clicking on this. You can see it has started downloading, so I will cancel it. I will not download it. Actually, I am having Python in my machine already. So after downloading it, you can find this exe file. Okay, let me download it first. Okay, let me download it quickly. It is downloading. You can see it is 27.7 MB, so not very big file. So I will opening it in the folder. You can see this is the application. Just click on this application and it will give you this kind of window. So you can click over here, customize installation or customize installation. Otherwise, if you want to add any extra path to it other than C drive, so you can click on this link or this checkbox. Or if you want to install it with C drive, just click on this. It will install it in your machine with the C drive. Okay, so I will not install it now because I am already having it in my machine. So I'm closing this one as I have Python in my machine, so I'm not installing it again. Okay, but after downloading it, open it and install it by the following steps. Like, just click on this customize installation, and this things will be available here. Pip is the command that you can use. Ideally, these Python launchers and test suite, this is the standard library suite you are having. So if I click next, you can see it will create a shortcut for you. Add Python environment variables. You can skip this one, or you can have this. Okay. uh Precompiled standard library, download debug symbol. These things is your choice that you will choose it or not. I will prefer that not to choose this debug and downloading debug binaries. You will install it in your C drive. You can browse and you can choose any other folder from here for installing it. Okay, I am having so many folders, so if you are want to install it with another folder, so you can just go to your this PC and choose a folder that you want to download or that you want to keep your folder. So if I want to keep my folder in C drive, I am choosing C drive and then OK. So it will install it in my C drive. Okay, so just click on in this install button and it will be installed. Okay, now going back over here, just I will show you that how it will work actually. Okay, now if I search over here Python after downloading it, searching over here Python, so you can see this will open in the search result. So I am having Python 3.9. This is the Python command prompt I am having. So if I want to open the ideally, I have to write here Python. You can see Python ideally is already available. Okay, so if I want to click and open it, I have to click over here. It will open the ideally. Here we can program. Here we can write any program and this will run. Like if I write will run. So I have to save this first, giving extension of py so that it will recognize as a Python folder. So see, hello friends, it has been printed over here. Okay, this way we can run a code in Python ideally. Now, what is Anaconda distribution? See, just write here Anaconda distribution. This is the official website of Anaconda distribution. Free download. You can download from here freely. It is open source software. So you can just go to this website. Go to this website only, anaconda.com. Download. You can click over here in the download option and see Anaconda is started downloading. This file is 787 MB, so it will take a little bit time for downloading. Okay, and I am not downloading it as I am having it already in my machine. So after downloading, you can find a exe file, and from there, similar way as you have installed Python, in a similar way you have to install the Anaconda in your machine. Okay, now after installing it, just go to the start button and write Anaconda distribution or Anaconda navigator, whatever you want. So after writing it and click over Anaconda, you can find a black screen will appear like this, and this is the logo of Anaconda. It will open a page. It will take a little bit time. It is loading the applications actually. Okay, so this is the Anaconda navigators page, home page. It has been opened. So you can see there are so many environment, cmd.exe prompt, Jupyter lab. Okay, we want Jupyter notebook or we want a spider. So here you can see all installed application or updatable application, all applications, all the things you can see over here. See, Jupyter lab, Jupyter notebook, Qt console. So if I click over here in the launch button of Jupyter notebook, it will launch the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so easily after clicking over the launch button, it will launch the Jupyter notebook, and in the next time you don't have to launch it, you can find it from the search bar only. Okay, I hope it is understandable. So whenever you click on the launch button of the Jupyter notebook, this home page will open, and from here we will go to a new file, that is Python 3, and a new blank tab will be open. Here you can write your program, just writing over here and clicking on this run button. See, the output has came here, and in the next cell you can write another code. The output will come like this. Okay, so in each and every cell we can write separate codes, right? So this way we can use a Jupyter notebook tab, and along with Anaconda distribution we can use Python. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for all of you who are watching my channel and following my lessons. So hope you are practicing Python and this will be helpful for you. So let's meet up in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.